strategies of senior high school student in modular and online learning. Okay. We will present our first chapter, background of the study.
Root of the study. Transition to modular learning. Some schools switch to modular learning because the heat is so strong. For the student, this helps them to continue their study safely. The level of measurement is nominal because if it is category 2, modular or not. Hour of face-to-face classes. When students attend face-to-face classes during extreme heat, school may start and dismiss earlier or limit classes to certain days like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Level of measurement is nominal because the answer is in category yes or no. Implementing module learning due to intense heat. School may be changed to module learning. The heat becomes too extreme. So students can still learn. The level of measurement is nominal because the answer is category is in yes or no. This is an example when we transition to module learning or shorten face-to-face classes due to extreme heat to keep students safe. I stated here that the face-to-face variable is nominal because it is based on category with answer like yes or no, and that's it.
Statement of the problem. This study examines the relationship between senior high school students' perceived academic challenges, ordinal level and measurement, and their adaptation strategies, ordinal level of measurement in modular and online learning modalities. Research questions. What is the demographic profile of students in terms of their primary learning modality? Nominal. What is level of perceived academic challenges and adaptation strategies? Ordinal. Is there significant association between academic challenges and adaptation strategies? Ordinal. Significance of the study. Address real-world disruptions such as heat index suspensions and natural disasters that push students into modular and online learning. Provides empirical evidence linking academic challenges, ordinal, with adaptation strategies, ordinal, helping teachers refine instructional support, school design, targeted interventions, policymakers threaten educational continuity, con- continuity plan, enhances understanding of students, resilience and learning skills in learning that modality.
Game na!
Go na. Review of related literature. Variable 1. Academic challenges. Students face academic difficulties due to limited teacher interaction, unclear modules, technological barrier, and heavy workload. Modular learners struggle with independent study, mot- motivation, and delayed feedback. Challenges differ across track, TVL student and lack such as research limitation and inconsistent home environments intensify academic difficulty. Variable 2. Adaptation strategies. Common, co- common coping behaviors include time management, peer consultation, and task segmentation among modular learners. Self-efficiency effi- predict effective adaptation. Students with higher confidence experience lower predict students with higher confidence experience lower burnout. Tapping self-efficacy reduces academic stress and improve adjustment to distance learning. Support system, instruction, parent involvement, and teacher guidance enhance student adaptive capacities.
The last part, methodology, research design, descriptive qualitative design, used to measure academic challenges and adaptation strategies, collected numerical number without manipulation variables and level of measurements, independent variables, learning modalities, modular or online learning is a nominal, dependent variables, academic challenges, adaptation strategies, which is a ordinal, classification variables, grade level, which is a ordinal. The third one is sampling design. The total of population is 3,360 students with 330 modular and 60 online. Sample size 410. Respondents via Yamane formula. Sampling techniques. Stratified random sampling for proportional presenting. Data gathering design. Used to construct questionnaire distribute based on learning modalities, gathered numeral data to compare challenges and strategies. That's all. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Bala kayo.